A lot of people keep looking to buy branded wireless headphones at an affordable price, right? You people came to the right video. Today I have something very interesting from Sony. It's their all new 2023 model, the WH series CH520, and these are one of the most affordable headphones made by Sony in the recent times. So the main highlights of this product are you're getting latest Bluetooth version with multi-point connection, and onboard microphone is there, DSSC support is there, 50 hours of battery life, and also a large 30 driver. So those were some of its main highlights, and here's how the packaging looks like. It's actually available in 4 different colors. Today in the house I have both the black and blue variant, so I'll unbox both of these and show you them side by side, guys. There is nothing much mentioned on the packaging. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So there you go. As soon as you open it, we have our brand new wireless headphones from Sony at the top, came nicely packed in this cotton sort of cover. And there you go, boys. Here's our very first look at the headphones. Oh wow. We'll just come back to the product in a moment. Along with that, in the package you also get a Type-C cable for charging the headphones and some paperwork. It's basically your user manual. Just make sure to read that for all the information on the product. So that's it, these are all your accessories, and there you go. I've unboxed both the color variants. We have the blue on the left and black edition on the right. Let me just put them side by side and show you. Very clean looking design, right? The headphones have a matte sort of finish, and I like both the color variants. Black looks quite classy and blue looks a bit funky. Which color variant did you people like? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you ask about the design, the CH520 from Sony are a super affordable wireless headphones and have a very lightweight sort of design, guys. Initial impressions, as soon as you hold them in the hand, right, they feel super lightweight, only around like 147 grams. So we'll come and talk about the comfort part in a moment. You have the Sony branding on both the headbands here and there, and yes, they're also fully adjustable. The headband on it easily extends like this, so it can fit almost any head size, not an issue. Apart from that, if you talk about the overall build quality, solid build quality, guys. Despite made of polycarbonate, looks quite durable, but I do have to say it looks a bit plasticky for the price point. And over here on the right ear cup, you've got lots of media control buttons, which include a volume up, volume down, media play pause is there, which also doubles up as your Bluetooth pairing button, Type-C port for charging, and I believe this one is your microphone. Yes, you do get a built-in microphone as well. So that's it about the overall media controls, and look at the pads as well. Decent cushioning, I would say, guys. Looks like memory foam padding and good quality cushioning. Feels soft and durable. Underneath the headband also you're getting like decent amount of padding, guys. So we'll definitely talk about the comfort part in a moment. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly set them up, use them for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. Sony's new CH520 are on the ear closed type headphones and feel super lightweight when you're wearing them. Comfort wise decent, I'd say. They offer a snug fit, but thing is the ear cups actually sit right on your ears. So in my case they were not fully covering my ears, so it took me some time getting used to the overall design. You might ask about the noise isolation as well, and let me tell you, passive noise isolation was kind of mediocre, guys, because I've told you, right, they're on the ear type headphones, so because of that there was a bit of leakage and noise isolation was not up to my expectations. Anyways, on board you're getting 30 drivers with a frequency response range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz and supports Bluetooth version 5.2. Best part is you're getting multi-point connection as well on this model. So that means you can connect up to 2 devices at the same time simultaneously to this product. Like for example, you can connect both your phone and laptop and seamlessly enjoy the experience. Coming to the sound, now come on, these are made by Sony and there is nothing less you can expect in this segment. Mids were crisp and clear. I watched a couple of music videos and movies as well, and overall vocal clarity was nice. All dialogues were clearly audible without any muddiness. In fact, they had a nice mellow and warm feel to them. Treble was also fine, though not as silky smooth as you would see on Sony's higher end models, but justifies the price tag. And coming to the bass was also good. But see, if you're like a serious bass head and love your low ends, out of the box you might not get that experience. But nothing to worry, Sony offers like a full range of EQ adjustment using their Headphones Connect app with clear bass support and DSCE as well. So tweaking a bit of these EQ settings over there did the trick. Overall sound quality was on point and satisfactory for the price point. THD levels were also minimum, even up to 85-90% volume level, and man, audio output was also loud and sufficient. Also guys, not to forget, the CH520 do have a built-in microphone on board and mic quality was like pretty good. I've been using it for the last couple of days, right? It's great for calls, meetings, or even for interviews. The other person could clearly hear and understand what I was saying. So we are almost coming to an end, right? Let me tell you about the battery life as well. The CH520 offer insanely good battery life for this price point. On a moderate sort of usage, per charge you can expect around 40 to 45 hours. So even if you use them for like say 2 hours daily, they'll easily last for 20 to 22 days. And not to miss out, it's also got quick charging support as well. And that is pretty much it. Our video on Sony's all new WH series CH520. One of the best sounding wireless headphones you can buy under 4500 rupees. We are getting beautiful design, good build quality, customizable sound profile and great battery life, guys. If I had to nitpick, only thing I would say, instead of on the ear design, they should have really went with over the ear model. And lastly, noise isolation, as I've told you, could have been better. It costs around 4490 rupees and is available on Amazon. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So what do you people think about this product? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So that's it. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.